In today's video, we are going to practice saying the sound of the letters O, O. Two O's together can make two different sounds. One sound is the short sound. The other is the long sound. Today, we will learn the sound made by two O's. Can you say Good. Let's do it together. Now, let's see some words containing two O's sound. Cook. Cook. Book. Book. Good. Good. Now it's your turn to practice the words. Cook. Cook. Book. Book. Good. Good. Let's chant. Cookbook good. Cookbook good. This is a cookbook for a good pudding. Let's do it again. Cookbook good. Cookbook good. This is a cookbook for a good pudding. Great chanting today. I hope you had a good time. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.